Today I'm going to tell you how to get a 9-piece wrench set from Harbor Freight for 49 cents. And that's coming up next here on Jesse B Gear. Welcome back everybody, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. So I'm going to tell you how to get this wrench set here for 49 cents from Harbor Freight. Let's go ahead and I'll show you how. Man, these are actually blinging and I can't get the light to not glare off of these. But the reason why I got these for 49 cents is, first off, you got to be an Inside Track member right now at Harbor Freight. If you're an Inside Track member, all you got to do is make a purchase and you can get these or a couple other things free. I'll leave a picture up here of their deal that they got going on and the dates it's going on. So right now I think Inside Track, these are actually going for like $6 or something like that. But basically I got these for free. So you're going to ask, how did I get it for free? Well, if you're an Inside Track member, all you got to do is make a purchase to get these for free. And I purchased a pencil. And right now this pencil is 49 cents on the early Black Friday deal. So I can show you guys right here on my receipt. You can see if I can get the focus in here. My phone don't want to focus in good. Basically, I paid 49 cents right there for the pencil. And then that ring, the wrench set up for basically nothing. And you can see with tax right there, I paid 52 cents. Not a bad deal at all. 52 cents plus tax to get yourself a wrench set. What a deal. So I just wanted to let you guys know a quick little deal here. If you don't need wrenches, this could be a good stocking stuffer too. They got metric and standard. They also got towels and I think a moving blanket or something else. It's on that picture that I left up for you guys. So there you go. That's how you can get your wrench set for 52 cents. Well, that's me with my tax. Your tax, local tax might be different. But basically 49 cents for a wrench set. What a deal. So as always, don't forget to check the links out down below. Down there I have affiliate links that do help out the channel to buy stuff. Also, some of them got discount codes to save you guys money. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are one nation under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.